Gaze your eyes upon this beautiful ice-colored KitchenAid mixer. Man, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. As you know, and if you didn't, we give away a machine that we refurbish every single month as part of our $3 and $5 monthly subscription. So we're going to give this one away. But first, I want to talk about a few things. First and foremost, I don't mean to neglect you guys. I have been, really busy. Jake's not with us anymore. His whole family's moving to Delaware, so he decided to move with them. So he's going to be sorely missed. But it's just kind of, put a little bit of a halt to some of our operation. We're getting things back up to speed. But really, the biggest issue, little man, my little baby, Finley, he's 10 months, almost 11 months now. Whew, time flies. But he is, up and moving. He's not walking quite yet, but he's grabbing onto things, running around. He's not napping nearly as much. And so I haven't had as much time during the days between, as busy as I am repairing mixers and taking care of him. It's been hard to find time to make these videos. But I promise we do have some on the way, so stay tuned for those. This one's going to be short and sweet. We're just going to give this bad boy away. So let's hop to it. Okay, before we do the drawing, I do want to discuss a few of the videos that we have coming up because I think you'll find them pretty interesting. First and foremost, you know what really bugs me? You see all this, kind of coffee ground looking stuff on there? That is bug poop. There's one of the culprits right there. Look at that gross little fella. We're going to be taking this thing apart. We'll kind of show you guys what's inside, see how many more bugs are in there, and generally just leave you in disgust. Also in the works is the addition of a spring and washer right here, kind of like, what's on the old tilt head machines here. On the Pro 600, they never came with them. We were started to make a video, and actually we found out that we have to replace some snap rings, so that's why it took a while. We had to put those on order. They are now in, so I just need to film. If you take a look here, you can see the snap rings that we're providing with our kit are going to be a little bit thinner than the ones that are on there now. We found out that when you put the spring and washer on, there's just barely not enough clearance, so you couldn't get the paddles up there. So we will be building kits for our website. We'll send you with a spring and washer and a couple of these little snap rings to get the job done, so stay tuned for that. We've also been getting a lot of questions on when we're going to be able to start doing the powder coating so we can custom color all of your machines for you. You know what? It's really a waiting game at this point. We have ordered the powder coating oven. We have ordered the new building. We're putting in a 16 by 24 foot building right in my backyard here. I ordered it 3 weeks ago. I haven't even heard from him yet, so it could be another 6 weeks. Everything is a little behind right now, so I guess we're at the mercy of the builder. I can see it now. When you walk out this door, we're gonna see a building right here. This is where that building's gonna be. Literally, we're just gonna take a few steps. There's gonna be a walk-in door right here. You gotta use your imagination a little bit, guys. Come on. You'll walk in, and we'll have another, I think it's 384 square foot of space for storage and all of your painting necessities. Oh, I can't wait! But I digress. All right, let's get on with the drawing. Let's give this baby a listen real quick. Ooh, she sounds smooth. She is hitting all speeds and ready to do some work. Like always, it will come with a bowl and all 3 attachments. All right, let's get on with the show. So as you can see here, we have 63 subs at the moment. So your odds are pretty dang good. Let's change over here. Let's go to a full screen mode. And if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and spin this wheel. So this is for this month's mixer, that ice blue one from the beginning. Let's see who wins. Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got it? Jody Pachonik! Congratulations! Jody, I hope you were excited. I am so very, very excited for you. Very, very glad. We'll get that thing boxed up. We'll send you an email here in the next day or two. Get everything ironed out and get that thing sent your way. Thanks for being a sub. Thanks to all 63 of you. You're all amazing. Each and every one of you are just fantastic. Thank you for subbing to me. I mean, who am I? Who am I, right? But I appreciate it. All right, y'all. Thanks for sticking around. Like I said, it's going to be a short one. Got to get filming on the buggy here. Got to get filming on the spring video. I want to get both of those done this evening, so I'm going to hop to it. We'll see you soon.